At first, open the lid. And then, fill the tank with water. Now, you can add perfumes as per your wish. Here I am spraying Passion by the brand, Doft. Spray 3 to 5 times, that's enough. Or you can add any essential oils but only 2 or 3 drops. Now, remove the cotton stick from the lid. And then, dip both sides of the cotton stick in the prepared water. Now, reinsert the cotton stick back to the lid. Simply close the lid as it was. Remember, there is no need to twist the lid. Now, plug the device. And press the button. Press again for a few second interval. Press again to power off. Now, press and hold the button to change the lights. Now, press and hold the button again to lock a particular color. Press and